I'm joined by Naomi Fletcher from the Ghanaian Language School, which is part of the cultural group. Hello, Naomi.
Hello, Michael.
Great. All right. I've got a couple of questions for you. What is the Ghanaian Language School and the cultural group?
Well, we set up the cultural group in 2009, and our mission was really to create as many resources as possible for people in the diaspora to learn African languages and for them also to learn about the culture. The Ghanaian Language School is basically a school for adults to come and learn different Ghanaian languages.
Great. So, what is the main purpose of these specialized workshops?
It's a taster. It gives people the opportunity to learn the basics of Twi, Ga or Fante. Whether you have Ghanaian parents, travel to Ghana regularly for pleasure, business or work, or whether you're thinking of going back there to live, you can even use what you've learned to surprise your friends. It's an opportunity to really start your learning journey or just simply pick up some useful phrases.
So, give us an example of what to expect if we attend the course.
Okay, well, expect to have some fun. It's really an informal environment, so there'll be plenty of opportunities for you to obviously learn the basics of the language, a bit about the culture as well. We'll go through some of the alphabet, a bit of pronunciation, and give you some really useful phrases that you can use to people, whether you're speaking to people here or whether you're out there in Ghana. It will be an opportunity for you to also meet members of the team and also to find out a bit more about the services that we provide. It'll be an opportunity for you to network with like-minded people. There'll be lots of group work, so there's plenty of opportunity for that. And it'll also be an opportunity for you to have a treat, as we'll have some Ghanaian canapes there as well.
Excellent, excellent. You know, food's always a great enticer for me.
That's it. Me too.
Good, okay. And the last question, what other services does the cultural group and the Ghanaian Language School offer?
Well, in addition to the Ghanaian Language School, we also have Listen, Speak and Learn, which is a DVD really created for people to use to learn the languages. At the Ghanaian Language School, we currently offer two different types of courses. One is a 20-week classroom-based language course, and we offer this in Twi, Ga, Fante and Ewe. We also offer online classes as well, and I guess what's really exciting about the online classes is that they mirror the classroom environment. So you pretty much get to do everything that you do in the classroom. So you get to see your tutor, you'll see your classmates, you can role play, you can see a whiteboard. So it's a really fantastic alternative for those people who can't necessarily get to the classroom. Listen, Speak and Learn is a fantastic DVD created so that the whole family can really learn to speak the languages and also learn a bit about the culture as well. It's fun, it's entertaining, it's interactive. It also incorporates listening, oral and verbal techniques, and it has over 75 constructive sentence examples. It's a fantastic DVD and it's a great resource suitable for learners of all stages, so whether you are learning from the absolute beginning or whether you're just trying to brush up on what you already know.
Great. So now you can go to the workshops, and after the workshops you can also sign up for courses within the London area. And now you're telling me you can also do it online as well?
Yes.
Wow, excellent. So Naomi, please tell us the contact details and how to get in contact with the cultural group.
To find out more about the workshops or to register to attend, just visit theghanaanlanguageschool.com/workshops, or you can email info@theculturalgroup.com. Alternatively, you can call 07985 142949 and make sure you register, because there is no entry accepted on the door. You have to register before the event. So we look forward to seeing you there.
So Naomi, the Ghanaian Language School are offering workshops in Twi, Ga, Fante and Ewe through 2014. That's great, that's excellent. It's good to have resources available for people who really want to learn and for whatever reasons. And I think one of the most interesting things I've found is it's not just the usual suspects who are on the courses. It's people from all walks of life, business people, people who are not Ghanaian, Nigerians wanting to learn Twi. I recently went to a market in London, Dalston Market, and I heard a white guy speaking Twi because he wanted people to buy his plantain. He was like, cocoa, aha. And it's interesting. So, you know, it's not just for Ghanaians only. It's for anyone who really wants to learn or just pick up another language. So I'll encourage everyone, if you can, you know, pop in for the day, learn something new, pick up a new skill, or build on what you have. Is there anything you'd like to add to that, Naomi?
Just really that you don't need to have any knowledge of the language at all to attend the workshop. Everyone is welcome. It's really going to be fun, informal environment. There's no need to be nervous, and it'll just be a fantastic opportunity to learn and mingle, really.
Thanks, Naomi. And just to remind you, the dates for the workshops are Friday, the 7th of February 2014, and the following Saturday, the 15th of February 2014. We look forward to seeing you there.